You want to find out more about the Wildwood lifestyle here in Diamond Beach? This is the perfect townhouse, and I'm going to share all this information with you right now. Let's check it out. I got a gorgeous setting here, a very special unit at 524 Turtle Gut Circle, and this is in Seapointe Village, and you have all of these amenities. You have 4 pools, hot tub, grilling stations, indoor pool, pickleball, tennis, basketball. It's all right here at your doorstep. This is one very, very special unit that's for sale. One of the few that overlooks Center Pool, Seapointe Village. Let's check it out. So it's 524 Turtle Gut. We got 1,876 square feet, 3 beds, 3.5 baths, and we got the den down below. And this is what it's all about right here, this view. Only the 500 block of these Turtle Gut units have this kind of view of Center Pool. Absolutely stunning. All these windows and doors in this house, the exterior, were replaced in 2010. No worries there. Plantation shutters everywhere. Check out this gorgeous marble work. The flooring is outstanding here. More plantation shutters. You got the bump out. Plenty of room here to entertain, play cards, have a good time at the shore. Kitchen is nice, granite countertops. As an overlook here to the bottom patio, which we'll check out a little bit later. And you have this awesome sight line all the way through. And you can see Center Pool, and it's an incredible backdrop, really special. Got a half bath, more of the marble tile, and you have a really nice vanity, lovely fixtures. This is solid oak, walking up the stairwell, and welcome to your tiger wood flooring. We'll check out the 3rd bedroom, everything nice and neat. Tiger wood everywhere, the whole 2nd floor is that way. And the owner did it because the sand, when it comes in, stays on the main level, doesn't get up here to warp the floors here, makes it real nice. Plenty of sunshine coming in the afternoon, and you have a full bath with a tub. Wallpaper is thematically correct, nice, lovely countertops. Got your washer and dryer upstairs, right where it should be. And you have the master suite. And it is sweet because you got this sweet view looking over the entire complex here. So this is just absolutely amazing, and the high point, in my opinion, of the entire property. That view is perfect. Got another full bath. So this services the master suite, all tight. The woodwork in this house is phenomenal. It's all thick finish work, the baseboards, the moldings around the doors and windows. Trim is phenomenal. The hinges are bright brass, top of the line. There's a lower level as well. We're gonna call that a den. It's got its own bathroom down there. It's got a hideaway bed. Really nice situation. Walk right in from the beach and you're good to go. More gorgeous marble work down here. Diamond cut, Diamond Beach, perfect. Got a natural gas fireplace. You have an Anderson door going out to a back patio. Copious sunshine all day long. You got a full bath here that services the den. More of the same, gorgeous tile, gorgeous vanity, wallpaper, pristine. And to boot, you have a 2-car garage, plenty of storage in here, wash sink, got your electrical panel, central vac, everything you need. Walk in from the beach, pull your cars in, whatever you need, you got it here. We have a gorgeous townhome. You can see the amenities here at Seapointe Village. You have your own private beach in the front, one of the rare anomalies anywhere in South Jersey. You have 3 beds, 3.5 baths, 1,876 square feet of grandeur. Right here, beachside, steps from the beach, absolutely perfect. Move your family down here, make them happy, make that investment that you always wanted in the South Jersey Shore. Thank you so much for watching.